Hello everyone and welcome to one of the most extraordinary homes ever built in the state of Utah. Every once in a while, a home appears that doesn't just impress, it changes your definition of what a home can be. Let's go inside. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most talked about luxury builds in Utah. A home so bold, so imaginative, so unbelievably fun. It's been nicknamed the Birdhouse. A 15,659 square foot architectural creation designed with imagination, luxury, and pure joy woven into every corner. This is much more than a high-end home. It is a living experience, shaped by creativity, craftsmanship, and the idea that life at home should be unforgettable. From the moment you approach the property, the home seems to rise with confidence. Clean lines, striking materials, and bold modern architecture come together in a design that immediately captures your attention. It's the kind of exterior that makes you pause for a moment, not just because it's beautiful, but because it has personality. It feels intentional, inviting, and full of character, almost as if it's hinting at the surprises waiting inside. Step through the front doors and the entire home seems to open its arms. Light floods in from massive windows, highlighting warm textures, rich finishes, and the stunning oak craftsmanship that Millhaven is known for. Every surface feels like it belongs exactly where it is. The interior design by Millhaven Interiors creates a space that feels elevated, yet incredibly comfortable. Luxury without pretension, elegance without coldness. The main living area is spacious and flowing, a perfect balance of openness and warmth. Custom fireplaces create sculptural focal points, each one designed exclusively for this home. Their shapes, textures, and colors play against the natural woodwork, creating an atmosphere that feels both modern and timeless. As you look around, you notice the subtle details. The edges of the built-ins, the framing of the windows, the way the light falls on the oak. Nothing here is accidental. This is craftsmanship you can feel, even without touching anything. The kitchen is a masterpiece on its own. Sleek yet welcoming, bold yet practical. It is the heart of the home in every way. The island sits like a centerpiece, large enough for gatherings, conversations, and everyday living. The cabinetry has a tailored, custom feel, and the lighting is carefully selected to bring warmth and presence to the space. This is not just a kitchen made for cooking. It's a kitchen made for living, hosting, laughing, and creating. Move deeper into the home and each room begins to tell its own story. With 6 bedrooms and 8 total bathrooms, including 2 conveniently placed half baths, there is space for family, guests, and anyone lucky enough to experience this place. The primary suite is peaceful, serene, and filled with soft textures. It feels like a private retreat within the home, quiet, calm, and beautifully composed. The remaining bedrooms each have their own identity. Some are cozy and intimate, while others are playful and unexpected. One of the most memorable features in the entire home is the floating bunk bedroom. It's a brilliant design idea, functional, imaginative, and instantly memorable. The kind of room where kids don't just sleep, they dream, they laugh, they create memories that last forever. And just when you think you've seen the best this home has to offer, you discover the real secret: the double basement. Most homes are proud to have a single basement, maybe with a game room or a home theater. But the Birdhouse takes the idea and sends it through a totally different dimension. Descending into the lower level feels like exploring an entirely new world. First, you encounter a full indoor basketball court. A true playable space, not just a hoop in a garage. It's a place to train, compete, or simply unwind. The echoes of the court, the height of the ceiling, the polished floors. It feels like stepping into your own private gymnasium. But right next to it is something even more unexpected. A complete, custom-built skate park. Smooth curves, sculpted transitions, and surfaces designed for movement and adrenaline. It's the kind of feature you would expect at a professional training facility, not inside a private residence. Transforms the home from luxurious into legendary. And the surprises continue. A state-of-the-art golf simulator adds yet another layer of entertainment. Whether you're practicing serious swings or just having fun with friends, The simulator brings an entire golf course indoors, available 365 days a year, no matter the weather. A beautifully designed theater room offers a cinematic escape, perfect for movie nights or gaming. Soft lighting, immersive sound, and thoughtful seating make it a place where hours disappear. Nearby, a dedicated game room adds energy and excitement, a space to entertain, relax, and create moments with the people you care about. The exercise room brings convenience right into the home, allowing health and wellness to be integrated into daily life without leaving the property. This home isn't just smart, it's intelligent in a way that blends seamlessly into the experience. Advanced systems control lighting, window coverings, temperature, and atmosphere with ease. Nothing about it feels complicated. Instead, the technology supports the lifestyle, adjusting the environment to create the perfect mood, whether it's morning, evening, or anything in between. And just when you think the home couldn't possibly offer more, you step outside and discover a private paradise. The backyard is a resort built into a residential lot. A large, beautifully designed pool sparkles at the center, surrounded by carefully crafted outdoor living spaces. There's a custom jump structure, a slide, and areas for lounging, swimming, playing, and simply existing in the sunshine. The pool house elevates the outdoor experience even further. With a full outdoor kitchen and a real pizza oven, it becomes the center of every summer gathering. Whether it's a quiet family dinner or a massive celebration, the space can accommodate it all. The ambience is lively yet peaceful, refined yet relaxed. Feels like you've stepped into a luxury retreat without ever leaving home. As you pull back and take everything in, you begin to appreciate the depth of Millhaven Homes' vision. This is more than just a luxury build. This is a home designed to inspire. A home designed to spark creativity and happiness. A home designed for real families and real moments, and for the kind of experiences you simply can't get anywhere else. Utah is one of those rare places where you can find a bit of everything: mountains, deserts, lakes, ski slopes, and vibrant cities, all within reach. Living in Utah means having the rugged beauty of nature just around the corner. In a short drive, you can go from city life to hiking in dramatic canyons, skiing down world-class slopes, or floating on shimmering salt flats. If you love winter sports, the nearby mountain towns like Park City are a dream come true. Skiing, snowboarding, or winter hiking in a place known for its resorts and alpine lifestyle. But Utah isn't just about snow. In spring, summer, or autumn, hiking, biking, and exploring are everywhere. Wander through forested trails or desert rock formations. The landscape is constantly shifting, giving you mountains one day and red rock vistas the next. For city-style living, the region offers a balance. You have modern amenities, culture, community services, yet with direct access to nature. You can work or relax in a city, and in just a few hours experience national park-scale wilderness or mountain escapes. Utah also brings variety. If you want calm and nature, there are vast parks, rivers, and forests. If you want activity, skiing, mountain biking, hiking, desert exploring. If you want culture, there are towns and cities with local flair, history, and community. This mix, nature plus convenience plus variety, creates a lifestyle that appeals to families, outdoor lovers, adventurers, and anyone who wants more than just city or nature. In Utah, you don't have to choose. The Birdhouse participated in the Utah Valley Parade of Homes and won the People's Choice Platinum Award, and it's easy to see why. Guests walked through these halls and felt what you feel now: awe, excitement, and admiration for a home that blends beauty with boldness. A home with features you rarely see anywhere else. A home that stays with you long after you leave it. Estimated to cost over $5 million, the Birdhouse represents a level of craftsmanship and creativity that is hard to quantify. Every inch of its 15,659 square feet feels intentional. Every room feels purposeful. Every detail contributes to the story of a home built without compromise. In the end, the Birdhouse is more than an estate, more than a collection of amenities, more than a luxury residence. It's a complete reimagining of what home can be. It celebrates joy, design, imagination, and the idea that life at home should be full of moments worth remembering. This is the birdhouse, a masterpiece of modern living, a playground of possibilities, and a home built to inspire every day.